How to use Trello for project management. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can use Trello for project management. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your browser. You can use any browser. I'm using Chrome. And then on your browser you have to search for Trello. And then open the first official link that is available by Trello. Just right click on it and then click open link in new tab and head over to it by clicking it. You have to click cross over here, and once you do so, you'll be able to just access your Trello board. You have to simply log in. I'm already logged in. You have to just enter your credentials and log in into your Trello account. And once you're on your Trello account, you'll be able to see an interface like this one. Now, on this interface, you have this templates option. You can head over to it. And in the templates option, you'll get a list of many options over here. You can choose project management over here, as we are going into the project management of Trello today. So I'm going to tell you what you have to do. You can choose from the template project management, and then you can scroll through the project management templates and choose the one you like. You have this project management template over here. You can choose this one or any other that you like. You simply have to click this, and then it's going to give you this pop-up. You have to just click use template on this interface. You can also share this template by clicking share, and then you have to copy the link, or you can send it on the email, Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. And anyone on the internet can see this template. Or you can just click use this template and click create. You can read about this template over here. You'll have many options over here to read. You can go through the lists of all the headings that they have given, and then click use template and then click create. Now make sure you change the title if you want to. You can name it anything that you want, and you have to choose the workspace over here. This is my workspace. If you have more workspaces, the option will be available over here. And then this board will be workspace visible. You can change this setting by clicking change over here, and then you have to just click this option over here, and then you can just change it. Now, if you want to keep the cards, click check this box, and if you want to keep the template cards, click check this box. Activity, comments, and members will not be copied to the new board, and you have to upgrade your space to use custom fields on the new board. Now click create. And then you can see it's creating the board. Once the board is created, now you have the template and you can just edit it like you like. You can rename the project resources, the label over here, this list, you can just rename it, and then you can rename every list by clicking it. You simply have to click these lists, and you can just rename these lists by simply clicking them. Like this one, you can just click it and you can rename it. To add another list, simply click another list over here and then name it and click add list, and that's going to add a new list. Now you can just add cards to the list by clicking add a card, or you can just choose to edit these cards that are already available. You can read through all of these lists and see what the cards say. These are the tips on this template that you can use for a better experience. Trello tip. Card labels, what do they mean? You can click for more info. This is very beginner friendly, so it gives you all the information. Now you have the labels over here. You can simply click labels, and then you can just choose any label and click check them. You can rename these labels by clicking this pencil sign, and you can choose what color you like and then click save. You can remove the color and choose a new one. Just simply click remove color, and then you can choose a new color and then click save. It's going to change the color of the label, and you can rename the label. And here you can search the label. You can create a new label by clicking over here, and you can enable colorblind friendly mode. That's a plus point over here. Now, if you want to read what are labels, you'll have this info over here. And then you have to just click this cross over here, and here you have more options that you can go through. Now I'm going to tell you if you want to use Trello simply to create your own workspace. For that you have to click this create option, and then you can always start with a template like I did and told you, or you can either go with the create board option. Click create board, and then you have to choose a background if you want to, and I'm going to just show you some more backgrounds. For that you have to click these three dots, and here you can choose photos or colors and click see more to see more options. Let's go with the simple background like this one. Now you can name the board title over here. For example, let's name it YouTube, and then you have to choose visibility over here. You can choose a visibility for workspace, public, private. It's on you. I'm going to choose workspace. If you want anyone on the internet to see this board, only board members can edit, you have to click public. If you want to choose a workspace, then the limitation is all members of the team of the workspace can see and edit the board. And if it's a private board, only board members can see this board, and workspace admins can close the board or remove members. So you can choose any option that you like. I'm going to go with workspace for now. Now you have to simply click create, and it's going to create this board. Now this board is empty, and now you can just add lists and cards and then start with the project management. Let's name this list over here YouTube. Now press enter, and now you can add another list if you want. If not, just click this cross, and now you have to add a card. Simply click add a card, and now you can name this card. For example, the title is how to anything, like you can add anything ahead, like how to change a thumbnail. And I'm going to just type in over here how to change a thumbnail and then press enter. Now click this cross. I don't want to add another card because this is just a demo video. You can add as many lists and cards as you want as per your preference. Now click this title over here, this card over here on the list, and now you have the card open. You simply have to click join on the top, and here now you can just watch this. Now click the members option, and here you have to search for members, and you can add more members to the card. And here you have the labels option. You can choose to name the label simply by clicking it. You have to click create a new label, and then you can just give it a title by clicking this pencil sign. Now I'm going to just name it can't upload, like just name it anything that you want. I'm going to name it can't upload, and then you can just choose a color for it. For example, you can go with any color over here, and then click save. If you want to delete a label, simply click this pencil sign and click delete. You can also choose to edit the colors like I told you. Now click this cross over here. I'm going to add a label for the demo, so I'm going to write how to, and then click create a new label. And now choose a color for it and then click create. Here you go. The label is now created. You can create more labels by clicking create a new label and then click cross. Now the label section is done. You can come to the checklist section and you can add a title over here and then click add. Now you have this dates option. You can add due dates, start date, and then you can set a due date reminder as well, and then click save. If you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to see the option of save. Now I'm going to head over to the attachment section. Here you can add links and paste links for the attachments. For example, a reference video, or if you want to just share the drive links, you can just paste it over here. You can display text over here. You can just add text to display, and that's optional. Now click this cross, and then you can add a cover over here as well. Simply click cover, and you can choose photos from Unsplash. You can search for photos. You can choose colors as well, or you can enable colorblind friendly mode. And now you have this option custom fields. If you click this option, you can start a free trial. I think that's a paid version, so I'll skip it. And then you have this power-ups option. You can add power-ups by simply clicking plus sign, and then you can just choose the power-ups that you want to add. For example, let's search for Discord over here, and I have already added it, but you can just search for the Discord and you can just add it. You have to simply click add, and it's going to simply add the power-up. And if you scroll down a bit, you'll get this automation section. Under that, you'll have this add button option. You can read the information simply by clicking over here. You can create buttons and rules to perform different actions on your Trello board. To add new automations or edit existing automations, you can go to directory. You have to click the go to automation directory and you can just edit them. Now you have this actions section where you can move, copy, mirror, make template, archive, or share your card. And that's how you can do project management on Trello. So you can also click share over here and share your board with people, and you can send them join requests. You can choose the admin options over here, and then you can just share this with people that you want to by clicking share, and you can choose members over here, and you have this observer option that's in the upgraded version. So if you want, you can just upgrade it and add that observer option as well. It adds people with limited permissions to this board. If you want to share, just click share, and then you can create a link over here, and you can just change permissions by clicking this option, and you can join as member. If you upgrade, you can join as observer as well, and then you can just click copy link over here and send it to people wherever you want to, and then they can just click the link and join it. And if you want to delete the link, just simply click delete link, and then it's going to pop up with this option, and click delete share link, and it's going to delete the share link. And that's how you do project management on Trello. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.